Struggling with limited counter space and need a microwave that fits just right? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, COMFEE-M720CPL PMB Microwave. Let's kick things off with the COMFEE-M720CPL PMB Countertop Microwave. Priced at just $68.97, what caught my attention was its compact size and eco-friendly features. If you want a functional microwave that won't take up too much space, this is worth a serious look. The one-touch buttons for popcorn, pizza, and beverages take the guesswork out of cooking, while the child safety lock gives you peace of mind if you have little ones around. Plus, its eco mode minimizes standby power by 50%, which helps save on your energy bill. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get convenience without compromising on your electricity usage. Now, some users mention that the microwave can be a bit noisy when in operation. Here's the thing though, while it's true, it hasn't been a deal breaker for me, especially considering its price point and features. This microwave is perfect for you if you have limited kitchen space or just need something straightforward for heating up leftovers. Skip this one if you're looking for something larger or if you often cook multiple dishes at once. Overall, it's a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. Now, if the COMFEE microwave's capacity seems too small, this next one ups the ante with more room and power. Product number 2, TOSHIBA M130-1A5 CBS Microwave. Next up is the TOSHIBA M130-1A5 CBS Countertop Microwave, coming in at $133.50. What grabbed my attention was its smart humidity sensor that actually adjusts cooking time based on your food. If you want perfectly cooked dishes without the hassle, this one's a great contender. The microwave features 12 auto menus and a smart sensor that ensures your food isn't overcooked or undercooked. Imagine never having to guess the cooking time again. Plus, it has a mute function if you prefer a quieter kitchen, which is fantastic when you're multitasking. Here's why this matters. It allows for more flexibility in your cooking without the stress of constant monitoring. However, a few users found the interior space a bit cramped for larger dishes. But honestly, if you typically cook for 1 or 2, you'll find this feature isn't as much of an issue as the efficiency you gain. This microwave is perfect for you if you need something that can handle a variety of cooking tasks with ease. Skip this if you often cook for bigger groups, as the smaller interior may not accommodate large casserole dishes. At this price point, it offers great value for its tech features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a stylish look along with functionality. Product number 3, Black+Decker M720CB7 Microwave. The Black+Decker M720CB7 digital microwave oven is next at $90.98. The push-button door caught my eye, making it easier to access when you have your hands full. If you appreciate practical design without sacrificing performance, you'll want to consider this one. It has pre-programmed buttons for popular foods and a child safety lock for added security. The large LED display is easy to read, which is a big plus when you're in a rush. Here's why this matters for you. It streamlines your cooking process while keeping safety in mind. On the downside, some users mention that the microwave can struggle with larger dishes due to its smaller size. But if you're mostly reheating meals or making quick snacks, this shouldn't deter you. This option is perfect if you're looking for a simple, effective microwave that's easy to operate. Skip this if you frequently cook larger portions, as you might find it a bit limiting. For the price, its functionality is a solid win. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and capacity, the next microwave might just do the trick. Product number 4, TOSHIBA M130-1A5 CSS Microwave. Next, we have another gem from TOSHIBA, the M130-1A5 CSS Countertop Microwave, priced at $148.99. This model shares the smart humidity sensor feature with its black counterpart, which really caught my attention. If you're serious about cooking and want consistent results, keep this one in mind. The smart sensor technology automatically adjusts the cooking time based on food moisture, meaning you can say goodbye to guesswork. Plus, it offers 12 auto menus for your favorite meals, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. Here's why this matters: it takes the stress out of meal prep, allowing you to focus on enjoying your food. That said, some users have reported that the unit can take a bit longer to cook than expected. But honestly, I think the trade-off for perfectly cooked food is worth it. This microwave is perfect for you if you want technology that simplifies cooking while still having enough capacity for family meals. Skip this if you're tight on budget or need something more compact. At this price, the value is definitely there. Finally, if you want a microwave that balances power and design, look no further than our last pick. Product number 5. Black+Decker M031MB11 Microwave. Last but not least, we have the Black+Decker M031MB11 Digital Microwave Oven, priced at $99.99. I was drawn to its sleek combination of black and stainless steel, which would look great in any kitchen. If you want a stylish yet powerful microwave, this one deserves a look. It features pre-programmed buttons for a lot of popular foods, as well as a 30-second express cooking option that's perfect for when you're in a hurry. Plus, the push-button door is super convenient. Here's why this matters: it combines functionality with design, so you don't have to sacrifice style for performance. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky and might take up more space than anticipated. But honestly, if you have room to spare, the performance and aesthetics might just outweigh that concern. This microwave is perfect for you if you want a good balance of power and style for your kitchen. Skip this if you have limited counter space, as it might be too big for tighter areas. For its price and features, it's a solid bargain. Now let's wrap everything up and see which one stands out the most. In summary, we explored 5 fantastic under-cabinet microwaves. The COMFE is a great budget option if you need something compact, while the TOSHIBA M131A5 CBS brings smart cooking technology into your kitchen. Black+Decker's M720CB7 is user-friendly, but if you desire a larger capacity, the TOSHIBA M131A5 CSS is hard to beat. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the TOSHIBA M131A5 CBS because of its smart sensor technology that consistently delivers great results. I'd recommend avoiding the COMFE if you need more cooking space. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.